This is Intex Pool Hacks, Tips, and Tricks playlist. I'm showing you guys all my favorite things and things I've done with my Intex Pool to make it the best experience ever. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the felt bottom. You can see this, very sandy right now, but I have this felt bottom underneath my pool.
Felt bottom, next step.
You can buy these online. They're perfectly fitted to go all the way around the pool. This is the 12-foot one, goes all the way underneath, all the way around the pool. And it provides a soft, cushy comfort when you're in the pool. See, here it is on this side. I'll see if I can find some footage of when I was setting it up. There it is. The felt bottom. Simple thing, but worth its weight in gold. I highly recommend getting the felt bottom for your pool, putting that down underneath your pool. That's gonna protect your pool from little rocks and sticks and things like that puncturing the bottom of the liner. Not only that, but it makes it soft on the bottom when you're in the pool. So what I do is I put down a sand layer and I level it out, and then I put down the felt bottom. And if you haven't yet seen the full setup video, check on the channel. I have the full setup video that shows how I set everything up, the time lapse, all that. It'll be on the description where you can buy the felt bottom to go under your pool. I highly recommend buying it, and I will also link here at the end of the video for the full Intex Pool playlist where you can see all of our tips and tricks, our time lapse, our full review videos, the video about how I went to saltwater, all that. I will link to that in the description and at the end of the video here. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.